global wheat detection, Kaggle competition, and previously in previous videos we've looked at uh, the problem statement. This Kaggle competition is basically an object detection competition where we detect wheat in input images. Yes, wheat. We're detecting wheat. That's our task, and we're finding bounding boxes around where wheat is in the image. So in the last video, we looked at how the data, what the data, or basically try and understood how the data, what the data was basically. So we looked at how many images were given, um, what kind of labels were there, the bounding boxes, and how many labels or how many sources are there for each image and things like that. So we've got some decent information about what the data seems to be like. Now in this video, we'll be looking at the data. We will be looking at the images of wheat. My God, I've never ever in my life looked at an image of wheat. I mean, I've seen wheat here and there. Maybe once a year I go past wheat, but I've never really noticed wheat. But I think wheat is now going to be the center of attraction of a lot of our universes. So let's see how it goes. But in this video, we'll be visualizing the data set. So going back to the code, there was a TV series I was watching. Uh, by the way, if I haven't said that yet, all the code is available in my GitHub repository, all the code that I'll be showing in the video, and just if I don't link it, I should be linking my GitHub repo in the video description. If I don't do it, uh, comment on the video and just remind me. And yeah, and in this video, we'll be looking at the visualizing data code. So the first part of the code is same as the previous video, understanding data code. And here, yeah, this is the visualization part. Here I am loading the bounding boxes from each image. It's really trivial. The trick here is to split by comma because the bounding boxes are given as a string, so you need to figure out how to remove the. So if you look at understanding the data set here, for the bounding boxes, you have these two brackets, square brackets that you want to remove and then split by the comma. The great thing about the data set is that it's exact. It's pretty consistent. It's extremely consistent. It's the most consistent. It's 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 achieved the maximum amount of consistency this data set could achieve. So it's easy to extract bounding boxes. The format is the same for all the bounding boxes. Spread across the commas and you get the bounding boxes. And here I'm just showing you certain image examples of the data set, images with bounding boxes. And hey, if you've never looked at wheat images before, this is the time. I'll zoom it up a bit. Here we can see a few things. One, that each image is 1024 times 1024. Look at wheat. This is how wheat looks like. We can see the bounding boxes and they seem pretty accurate. Maybe looking at another photo. Yeah, the bounding boxes are pretty accurate, and this is how wheat looks like. Um, yeah, this image clearly shows how accurate the bounding boxes of the training data is, and yeah, these are all the images I have. I think I just printed out 3 or 4 images. Yeah, 4 images. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's it. This is how the data set looks like, and in the next video, we'll be looking at a very important operation that we will have to do is resizing the images because hey, look, each image here is 1024 times 1024. That means each image has 1,000,000 pixels. How many images do we have? We have barely 3,000, 3,400 images. That's not enough data. We might have to resize images. In fact, I'm sure we will have to resize images. So that seems like the most obvious next step before creating the data loader and getting to write the code down. We should see how the resizing affects the images, and that's what we'll do in the next video. This was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, comment, and let me know how I can what else I can cover in these videos, and subscribe, and I'll be posting videos for this Kaggle competition. Thank you.